Otherwise, they're gonna try and get them fingers.
The slobber.
You can pet him. He's not coming.
So say you might want to. You can probably get about over car seat.
Yeah, if you want to unbuckle while we're in here.
I just don't need them button the car. They all can come around you.
Move.
You don't see the same one.
I'm trying.
Oh, you won't let me pet it. You're so cute.
There.
I like the deer.
You can be the
Watch out. This one.
video taker.
I want to know for the deer.
Alright, don't get thrown out of there. I got none for you.
Give him loves.
Dad, here's food.
No, thank you. I saw that mouse slobber on your hand. I think I'm good on that one.
Because when you came to the younger, you can actually enjoy.
There's a gopher.
It's a squirrel.
Gopher.
Oh, it's a gopher, not a squirrel. Oh, it's a gopher. So cute. There's a gopher over here too.
Oh,
I thought,
Yeah.
I thought it was a squirrel.
That little deer.
So what's the name of this place?
Topsey Ranch.
Topsey Ranch in what town are we in? Just outside
Copper's Cove.
Copper's Cove. There you go. There's a gopher right there in front of the car.
Oh God. He's so cute.
There's the zebras.
And the camel.
Not a bad spot
Oh,
for
wait,
it.
yeah.
You're not allowed to
I zoomed
get out,
in on
are
it.
you?
Not in here, no.
We got zebras and ostriches, and
Look at the ostrich.
some wildebeest.
Oh, good, it's cute.
Camel laying down over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, acting dead.
See, little gophers like that, I wouldn't mind as a pet.
Okay, let's grab one.
No,
It's not how
their home is here.
There's so much
More wildebeest out there.
Look at him. He's your baby cow.
So,
I don't know which is which, but it looks like an emu. Ostriches are usually bigger.
allegedly.
Allegedly.
I don't know if you know this show. Letterkenny.
Now, know one thing about ostriches and emu. They come up to the car. If you hold your phone out there or camera, they will snatch it out your hand.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I remember seeing a video. There's a whole thing. I should try to take videos and the emu or ostrich or whatever come over and snatch your phone and
So
run
what do you
off.
think there, Faith?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, all the animals.
Got another group out here too.
You want to try and feed this one?
if he wants to come up.
Should
Hi,
I just
buddy.
drop it?
Got a rope time.
You know? Wanna?
If you want to try and toss it towards him.
Give me a couple. You don't want none?
I threw it. It's food.
You missed it. There you go.
Here you go. You wanna come back for more?
You want nothing to do with the car, do you?
He's a smart one.
That's probably what broke his time.
At least he gets food.
There's more animals around.
Those look like caribou.
Some of them are just being lazy.
It's cold. I'm like, no, we're good. wood here.
It might be a reindeer. It's reindeer. I don't know. It's some type of antlered deer.
The zebras, the one.
The zebras.
Looks like they're actually going to come up to the car.
One is. Oh.
I said food.
Put your window down, Faith. And hold your hand out.
It's not going down for me.
He's got it locked. He'll put it down when he wants.
Faith, look at me real quick. He ducked down.
Nope.
Turn and look at me real quick.
Feed him while you're. Put your hand out.
Yeah. Hold that and then turn and look at me. Oh, you got two of them now.
Nope. He's taking on.
Taking a piggy
Yeah,
in.
but don't put it out until the other one.
That or toss some towards him.
Hey, he's about to go for
Hi,
the whole
buddy.
bucket.
He's gonna get your bucket.
And that's why they say the windows need to be all the way down. But that window can't go all the way.
Oh, watch his foot, Dad. Scar card for this.
No, we're fine.
These little animals.
There! Don't hit it.
Bambi.
Pull the window
Remember,
down,
you
Pop.
gotta wait on Grandpa.
Let him get it all the way down.
Gotta bring your hand down to his level. He's a little shorter.
You can stand up, just don't, because you're out of the seat.
Yeah, sit on your knees if you want to.
Dingo. He likes it.
Alright.
Take care of the animals.
These are what? Antelopes, right?
Yep. Gazelle or antelope,
Yeah,
one of the two.
gazelle. It looks like gazelle.
So that might have been what that one back there was. Because those are the same type of horns.
Done scared the shit out of them, Dad. You're on the wrong side, buddy.
We don't have food over here. On that side.
Can all these go up to the petting area?
I think they have the petting area like fenced off for certain ones.
Gazelles.
Where they stay?
One's coming.
Donkey.
It's a donkey.
Donkey?
Feed 'em, give her the experience. We enjoy watching you feed them.
Yeah. As long as she's having a good time, I'm perfectly happy. They are running. They
There's a
say,
bunny.
feed me.
Oh.
Got a whole group of them coming. A
Feed me,
stampede.
Seymour. Wrong window there,
Don't
bud.
bust the
No,
car.
I'm not.
We're not stopping.
Not for all these. If there's one or two, but I don't need
Little
one-
baby ones over here.
I don't need one of these big horns
Yeah, putting a dent in the car.
sticking his
That's
head.
even
in
younger little
blowing
baby
up.
right here.
I saw a rabbit.
As long as your windows are up, then they know they're not gonna get nothing.
Got a
They
whole
don't
crowd up here.
Oh God. They're coming. Hi. Wow.
They think most of the cars are going to have food for them. Because that's what they're used
I
to.
want to feed them.
We're going to go up to the petting zoo that you can get out and actually feed them. But you're going to let one of the taller people hold the bucket.
Okay.
Camel.
No, that I'm about to say that neck is not long enough to be a camel.
Just saying, look.
That's a reindeer.
There's some babies.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh, he's getting up.
Oh, they're so cute.
Look at the duckies.
The swans. think there's.
Tell me, did you have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Seeing all the deers.
Seeing all the deer?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go over here and there you have it. Drive through petting zoo here in Texas. We're gonna go over here. Did you get the food? Alright. We're gonna go to the petting zoo park.
Aww.
It's Bambi. It's a Bambi. Doesn't it look like Bambi though?
You're not getting in your car.
Now these buffalo, these will want to mess up your day.
Yeah.
What's up, Buffy?
Buffalo.
To think how many wings you could get out of that.
I was sitting here thinking about a buffalo burger.
And they are actually, buffalo burgers are actually pretty good.
I've never tried one.
It's pretty cool though. Seeing this close.
And here it goes.
It's like driving around Cage Cove, but what you call it? It's a
Cage Cove, they don't.
hit or miss. They don't come running up your car.
They're so cute.
I mean,
Well, them deer did.
Yeah.
But Cage Cove got bear, but all their stuff is wild. This is not. I know these are wild, but they're somewhat domesticated. They're
Yeah, I'm
used to
about
all
to
this.
say they're used to people feeding them.
So what do you think, Faith?
I really like it.
That's good. Right here. Sitting under the tree.
Just chilling.
So cute. There's a baby over here.
Because people ask me to, I will if I'm rolling around, but
Yeah.
I'm not a picture. The zooming in, zooming out. I don't even like.
Look at him. Hi. Hello. There's so many. They were all behind us.
Make some weird noises.
I'll stop. You can get the camera and I'll stop in front of these guys.
Alright, got a good shot of them.
Look at that camera.
Oh, camel.
He's so big.
They're down to their last cigarette. Camel is a type of cigarette.
If it gets run over, Camel Crush.
Do you want a steak?
Let's go for it.
Ooh, giant steak.
It's zoomed in, just turn around, just butt.
And some big old horns. Those were the car.
Got another family on here. They got the back open, feeding out the
That's what I
back.
said. If they're gonna do that, you know, that's
That's kind of smart, actually.
what you call. That's what I said. As long as you stay in the vehicle, Daddy's truck would have been the.
Mallard duck.
Oh, found them! They are so cool! Look at them!
Some mallard.
You know which one's a male and which one's a female?
No.
I do.
Which one?
The brighter one's the male.
The one with the colors are the male.
Why was it just biting the grass?
It doesn't have a sign. I don't know.
I don't know.
But they're pretty.
Yeah, they're very pretty.
I like his gold color.
Yeah. He just
this big old white one.
Got the koi.
Oh my god, dude, so cool. Hi. Does it say do not feed?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't feed the koi. Look at that one's up there. He's wanting you to feed him.
We can't feed you.
Can't feed him.
If we could, we would.
Pedro still couldn't catch fish. So come check it out if you're down in Texas around Fort Hood. I know a lot of veterans, a lot of family of veterans there, people stationed at Fort Hood. Come down, put this on your to-do list. You'll enjoy it. Thanks to all the veterans out there.
Oh, I'd love for you to stand up and show me your tail feathers.
Hey, are you taking picture or video? If you get any pictures, send them to me so I can, because I got all video pretty much.
No, that's just a screenshot too.
That little one. Watch your hands, Faye. They might think you have food.
Oh,
They got it. Faye, he wants food. This one here, he's trying to get up here and get food.
What was that? Okay.
Spread your feathers. Please spread your feathers.
Come on, spread it.
spread them.
Slowly thinking about it. Before you get empty all your food. Go over there and put them over here. Welcome to follow you if they really want to.
Hey, not you. Hey, this one's pretty small. This one. Stop it. Come on, stop it.
That wind is cold.
Yeah, it is.
Can I get some?
So, you can only fit his snout so far through there.
Uh-oh. Faith, look at this one. The little one jumped up on that rock.
Look at the one on the rock, Amber.
Look, this is tricks. Now give me some food. Oh, that's a lot.
Good job.
Or you watch them run. Just have it all hit nothing.
I'm still close.
And then the rest of that, let's just put it in like a little pile. So
Dump it right there so we can get them.
I want to. I just want to
Here.
feed him the rest.
Go like this.
And then there's a little tote over there for the buckets.
Topsey Ranch.
There's supposed to be some birds in here.
You're gonna come out here and check it out if you're in Fort Hood, Killeen, Texas area. Something to do, something to come check out. Enjoyable. Once again, get outside, hike, bike, fish, spend time with the grandkids like this.
Mom, there's peacock is standing up.
Pick up your vest, take it with you. Don't leave it for others.
Oh, golden pheasant.
Big one.